What if artificial intelligence could finally help us unlock the secrets of animal communication? Imagine a world where we could actually understand what animals are saying to each other, and maybe even to us. Think about this for a second. All around us, animals are talking. Every day, in forests, oceans, and even our own backyards, creatures are sending messages, sharing warnings, and expressing emotions. Whales sing haunting melodies deep underwater, their songs echoing for miles. Dolphins click and whistle, weaving intricate conversations beneath the waves. Birds call out with complex songs, each note and rhythm carrying meaning, sometimes even mimicking other species or environmental sounds. Even elephants rumble, with low-frequency sounds that travel for miles, communicating with distant members of their herd, coordinating movements, or warning of danger. Each of these creatures uses patterns, repeated signals, calls, clicks, and songs to share information. These patterns are like a secret code, passed down through generations. But for humans, most of it is just beautiful noise. We might enjoy the sounds, but we rarely grasp the meaning behind them. Now here's where things get exciting. With the rise of AI, we're on the verge of a revolution in understanding animal language. AI tools today can analyze massive amounts of animal audio, way more than any human researcher could ever listen to. These systems can process years' worth of recordings in just days. Picture this, millions of hours of whale songs, bird calls, monkey chatter, all being scanned by neural networks. The sheer scale of data is mind-boggling. These systems spot patterns, rhythms, and signal changes that are invisible to us. They can detect subtle shifts in tone or timing that might signal a change in meaning. Spectrograms light up with details most of us would totally miss. AI can highlight frequencies and repetitions that reveal hidden structures in animal communication. Sometimes, AI even finds connections between calls that scientists didn't know existed. It can link calls across different times, places, or even species. That's a game changer for animal communication. It opens up possibilities for understanding animal societies, relationships, and even their cultures. So, what can we do with this technology? Well, a lot. The potential is enormous, and we're only scratching the surface. For one, we can use AI to help protect wildlife. Conservationists can monitor animal populations and behaviors in real time, even in remote locations. By decoding animal calls, researchers can track migration routes or detect signs of stress, like when forests get noisy with chainsaws or oceans rumble with ships. This helps us respond faster to threats and protect vulnerable species. AI can spot when something sounds off, helping conservationists act fast. It's like having a digital guardian for wildlife, always listening and ready to alert us. Over time, as we gather more data, we might even start to piece together what certain calls really mean, whether it's a warning, a greeting, or a mother calling her calf. Imagine being able to decode the emotional tone or urgency in an animal's voice. Imagine a future where we can actually respond in a way animals understand. That's wild. It could change how we interact with the natural world forever. But here's the catch. Are we actually translating animal language? Not yet. The process is complex, and there's still a long way to go. We're still in the early days. The science is young, and every discovery leads to more questions. Right now, AI helps us see structure and patterns, but true translation, understanding thoughts or conversations, is still out of reach. We're building the dictionary, but we don't have the grammar yet. Even so, progress is real. Every new insight brings us closer to bridging the gap between humans and animals. Every breakthrough brings us closer to decoding what animals have been saying for millions of years. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is to discover. The day humans understand animal communication may come sooner than we think. It could transform conservation, science, and even our relationship with the planet. If you want to keep up with the latest mind-blowing science and future tech, subscribe to TimK News. You won't want to miss what comes next.